I'm Christian Weber. I am the Fabrication Manager for JRT Mechanical. I've been at JRT for about 13 years now. Spent 11 years in the field, starting as an apprentice to a journeyman to a foreman. About 2 years ago, I moved into the shop as the new Fabrication Manager and oversee that as a whole. Once we switched over to using Stratus in our shop, it made a lot of our processes a lot more seamless. We're able, I guess I am able to see exactly where each station's at in its fabrication process. I can tell exactly when material's been delivered to a job site, if it's in transit, if it's been installed, if it's been received. So one of our greatest advantages is being able to track the process in its entirety. So Stratus, I believe, reduced a lot of waste in our fabrication processes by seamlessly knowing where we're at. We can maximize our cuts through our TigerStop software. By using Stratus, I know that my men are using the most current drawings, up-to-date drawings. If there's any new ASIs and whatnot, it'll automatically kick that phase out of the ready for fabrication process. So I know if it's back in a design that we have issues. As far as the workflow in the shop, I can tell when it's been cut. If it gets sent to the TigerStop twice, it usually throws an error code, or it will throw an error code and ask if you want it sent again, so I know we're not double processing the same material. Before Stratus, we ended up building a job twice, and just to find out that the foreman actually already had it on site. He didn't believe our documentation, but now with Stratus, we're able to track it in live time, track who received it, when it arrived on site, it gets time-stamped. So that's been a huge help for us to not double build something. More recent project I ran into was pretty much a similar scenario. Foreman sent something into fabrication, we built it, shipped it to the job site. They received it, and about three and a half weeks later, he called me and he was pretty upset with us not sending it there and it being on time. First thing I did is I went in and checked the tracking status on it, and it said field received. So I called him back and notified him right away that he actually received his material on X and X date at X and X time. And anyways, he went and looked, and sure enough, he found it. So that saved us thousands of dollars of rework and material costs.